Welcome back to one more video. Right here I'll be showing you my friend's small aviary. Small, but he produces a lot of mules every year. And right here we could see the first pair with the green canary, like I do too, and the Greensinger for the mules. Since the season is not here yet, he still has the dividers on so that they don't see each other, and they get in a point that they are as much in need of a female. So then after that, in about 1 more month, we will take this out and we will leave them looking at each other for around 1 more or 2 more months, and then we will put them together. And the really good sign of them that shows you that they are ready is that if you put some little things to build the nest inside the aviary, the female automatically goes and starts getting the thing to put the nest. So here it is. You get some and you put it inside, and the female, when it's ready to do the nest, you will see that she will automatically start picking up the thing on the floor. So right here we have a hybrid pair in which he's breeding a Greensinger with a Greensinger female. Right there she is. And this, he had babies from these birds before, so they know each other pretty good already. But since it's not the season yet, they're not as happy yet. And right here we have a hooded Siskin, yellow hooded Siskin, in which we also get mules out of these birds, or hybrids. I love these birds. They are like really happy all the time. These mules sing a lot. And right here we have some female canaries that we also use throughout the season. And right here we have another Greensinger with a green canary. And these two are not ready yet, but as well these birds have been breeding before, so they know each other pretty good. And right here we have this European Goldfinch, which is molding now. He's not in his highest singing levels because, as you can see, his beak is dark at the end. So when they get really when they get ready to breed, the entire beak becomes white, straight white. And you know the feathers are also should be in point, but he's molding now. And right here we have our F1 red Siskin. Really happy bird and very good singers right here. And right there we have another green canary female, and there you go, other one. And here we have one of the mules that he has kept from the Goldfinch. This is one of them, and here is another one. And right here we have a great singer male. This guy is non-stop. He'll be ready in a few weeks. So yes guys, that's it. This is a small aviary, but you know, when there is when the little ones start to born, what he does is that he puts all these cages like here, and then he puts some big like really big cages for the little ones to fly around in. And something that I forgot to show you, this is a bird from us in Cuba that we breed. This is a Cuban bullfinch that we have in Cuba, and he's a pretty good singer. But it just reminds me of my childhood where I born, so I like to have this bird with me in the aviary. This is my friend's, but I also breed with him, but that specifically is my bird. Alright, so have a good day everyone, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's not that long, but at least we covered some questions regarding the mules and some small tips. Bye.